So yes, I totally underestimated Cape Town weather at the international airport, and Ali Abdal actually started making me think I should vlog. So here's my first go. Let me know what you think. If this is your first time watching, my name is Muhammad Fakier and welcome to my channel. Starting a blog in 2020 means that it's COVID and everything you've attended was all digital. This is the first time I'm not paying for my own plane tickets and I'm actually traveling on a brand's account, and I'm off to my first media event as Meeting Focus and Muhammad Fakier. Totally stoked. I get onto the plane and wait to be fetched by my chauffeur or driver. Hopefully one day that board won't say Fakier and maybe Meeting Focus and team. I take my mask off for a little while. I'm on my way to... I was picked up at Joburg or Tambo Airport, and now we are off to I think they're gonna take us to the hotel, which is the Courtyard Hotel in Midrand, I think, yeah, Waterfall City. Yeah, so I'm gonna be chauffeured. It's really funny, like, to experience this. Yeah, so you saw like my name was on the board, Fakier. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the hotel and I'm supposed to be having dinner there. So I'm hoping it's 7:45 now and I'm hoping to get there in time. Anyway, mask back up, the driver's here. We arrived at the Courtyard Hotel, which is a 4-star hotel, which is part of the City Lodge group. And in fact, everybody that arrived before me was welcomed by this Huawei welcome guests board. Cool. So I'm on my way now. I got to the Courtyard Hotel and we are gonna, I'm 402. Don't come visit me. Anyway, just I'm kinda late. The event started at the dinner started at 7 p.m. So I'm a little bit late. Okay, cool. It says the numbers are this way. My room number is this way. Let me put my flash on. Cool. Now a bit better. Once I got into my room, I was welcomed by this huge bathroom. Okay, switched to my wide angle lens. Quite a big bathroom. The room, it was green, but it's a really modern feel, and like you can see my headboard is like wood, but also it has these like car cushions or seatings. It's leather, and the bathroom is quite stunning and the room is good. Once I got downstairs, I ordered my starter as I was extremely late. Luckily, two other Cape Townians arrived after me. I had an amazing ribeye steak, and the rest of the night was spent chatting and getting to know everybody in media around tech in South Africa. Okay, cool. So we're done eating here at the Courtyard Hotel. You saw the time lapse earlier. I spoke through some of that. We are headed off to bed. As you can see, everybody's gone. And I think who's left over is the guided online. So I don't know, what's your social media handles I'm meeting tonight?
Gift_Kabingo.
Okay, cool.
What are you guys doing?
He's got this is the blog.
Yeah, I do have a blog, and
Yeah, it's a blog. Cool.
yeah, it's a cool blog.
So you can check the guided online, and then here we've got
The Talk Hunter, Jan Musi, YMusi777 on Instagram.
and he's representing Technobook.
Technobook Media.
Yeah, and they've also got, he does like mainly car reviews and things like that. So tech is tech. So yeah, we're here for the Huawei event, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna get back to my room and chill. That's gift hands. Yeah. Okay, cool. Good night. Peace. I'll see you in the morning. It's the next morning in Midrand, Gauteng, and I decided to have a look at the view from the hotel room. I get up and basically make my bed, tidy everything, so that at least when I start packing, everything seems in order. At this point in time, however, I do realize that I forgot my toothpaste at home. So I call to reception, have a little bit of a laugh, and admit that I left my toothpaste at home, and they kindly said that they are going to send me a dental kit. Anyway, in the meantime, I realized that I'm going to take a shower to just store until they eventually come. It's like just enough for one squeeze. After this whole episode, I get dressed and pray my morning prayer. And yes, all other prayers were made, it's just I didn't record. I rush off to breakfast downstairs, and as you can see, everything is modern. The dining area, which this side I wasn't at last night, looks amazing. It's really modern and sleek, but still like has punchy colors and greenery all around. And the breakfast is buffet because of the whole COVID protocol thing, which was followed. Once I had my scrambled eggs and my coffee, I sat down with a journalist from another media publication and actually had deep, meaningful conversations with them about life and also about what this blogging media thing is all about. I then rushed off and finished my breakfast to get onto the shuttle, where I met Spatlem Pisani on checkout, as well as that opinion guy Amit from the Bucket ZA and so many other cool journalists. And then once we reached the venue, this is where the blogger life started. We got our green bands to mark us as registered. After filling in the details, we were welcomed by smoothies. There were so many snacks and goodies that we could have. The Huawei Band 6 has a 1.47-inch AMOLED full view display screen. That's what they call it, or it's just a display. And it's much different or larger than a usual display for a band, which is usually the pill shape, but as you can see, it looks very close to the watch fit and is quite attractive. A review coming soon.
That more people are starting to become active and live active lifestyles. But we need companions to help us to do these. And our wearable range provides just that.
That was Akram Mohammed, the CTO of Huawei Consumer Business Group, followed with a fashion show by the media such as Crystal from Women's Stuff, as well as Gabriela from Gazelle. And then the Supersport United Football Club also had a turn. Okay, cool. So we the other event finished. As you can see, it was quite busy and it's actually more full than expected. Standing outside here with Jan from Technobok and then Crystal from Women's Stuff and Gabriela from Gazelle. Anyway, we've got our Huawei gifts and stuff, and we are going back to the airport. So it's like a really quick 24 hours, not even 24 hours. And yeah, that's just the band. 17 hours. Okay, Jan was counting. And yeah, so we're gonna go back to the shuttle. I'll catch you at the airport. So I'm not shooting on the with the tripod and using the microphone, so I'm hoping the audio is gonna sound okay. We are now at the boarding gate on our way. It's myself, and then there's Gabriela from Gazelle, we showed you earlier, and there's Lindsay, and then Brendan, and yeah, this is the front camera of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's the first time I'm actually shooting with the front camera now on the trip. And yeah, I can't wait to get home because it was a bit of a rush actually. You can feel it now. You can feel it now.
It was a quick in and out, but yeah, went well. So let's get back home.
And just like that, I'm back home. 17 hours, as Jan said, in Johannesburg. Landed at Cape Town International Airport, home sweet home. Next up, a view of Table Mountain, and you know this vlog is coming to an end. Okay, on my way home now. Sure, it was a bit of it was very, very busy to come home. Or like, yeah, at domestic arrivals. Anyway, yeah, it was quite a trip, and yeah, I'll see you again if I'm gonna do a vlog like this. I'm probably gonna do vlogs on all of the events. Hopefully I get to be invited to more. Just got invited to Microsoft's event on June 24th. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media handles. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Thanks.